In today's video, I am going to teach you how to move blocks in Constant Contact. To get started, open the email you want to edit in the Constant Contact editor. Make sure you are in the editing view where you can see your email layout, including your text, images, and any other content blocks. It helps to take a quick look over the email first so you know exactly which section you want to rearrange and where you want it to go. Next, move your mouse pointer over the specific block you want to move. In Constant Contact, a block is a section of content, like a text area, an image, a button, or a divider. When you hover over the block, you should notice that the block becomes highlighted and a small set of controls appears on or near it. This hover step is important because the move control only shows up once the editor knows which block you are targeting. Now, look for the stack icon on that block. It is the move handle, and it usually looks like a 4-directional arrow. Click and hold your mouse button down on that icon. Keep holding it, because releasing too early may stop the move action and leave the block in the same place. If you are having trouble grabbing it, position your cursor directly over the icon until it is clearly active, then click and hold again. With your mouse button still held down, drag the block to its new location in the email. As you drag, move slowly so you can aim accurately. Watch the layout as you move up or down through the email. This makes it easier to drop the block exactly where you want it, especially when there are several similar sections close together. When you see a pink line appear, that is your placement indicator. The pink line shows the exact spot where the block will land when you let go. Once the pink line is in the desired position, release your mouse. The block will drop into place immediately. Take a moment to confirm the spacing and order of your content after the move, so the email still reads smoothly from top to bottom. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.